Of rather explosive claim that has been made by a former CBI director, Mr. U.S. Mishra. He says that he faced pressure while probing the disproportionate assets case against the former UP Chief Minister Mayawati, also claiming that the CBI could possibly again face pressure while it investigates Mulayam and Akhilesh Yadav.
When a case like this against political bigwigs which comes to CBI, then sometime or other, you may not say pressure, you can't take it pressure, but some requests somewhere are made, which is but natural, because as I said, a case will be against you, you will also come and meet me and say help me. So some such of pressures come and CBI director tries to handle it, and I have made it clear that in the investigation of a case, government has no role. It is between the investigating agency and the court. Any other person, entity, which tries to put a request or pressurize, is in the form of really pressurizing CBI. So some sort of pressures and counter pressures come to CBI, and CBI, whatever decision they take, there is opposition, there is government party, the one party or other will definitely blame CBI, and it is in a position, in such a precarious position, that even if it does in the right manner, they invite criticism.
We have Poonam on the phone line now with us, in fact live with us from the capital for more on the story. Poonam, the Taj Corridor case is a closed chapter as far as the legal proceedings are concerned, but an explosive revelation there by Mr. U.S. Mishra. Did he elaborate on just what kind of pressure he was talking about? Because his claim totally undermines the credibility of the country's premier investigating agency.
Well, certainly, as you just now heard, that the former DCBI director CBI is saying that there is certain amount of pressure being built up by the government whenever such sensitive cases are being investigated by the premium agency. But the fact again remains that as far as the CBI is concerned, they submitted their preliminary inquiry report way back in March 2007, and ever since the matter was in the Supreme Court. What top sources in CBI is maintaining that they have completed their preliminary inquiry into the matter and they have already submitted. Now there is no further need of preliminary inquiry into the matter, and after Supreme Court's orders, now CBI top officials are maintaining that they are going to consider whether straight away they should go and register an FIR in the DA case against Mulayam Singh and his son, or whether CBI top officials will further drag their feet and go for a preliminary inquiry into this matter is something to be which needs to be watched, because a team of officials who actually investigated this case, they are clearly maintaining the fact that the preliminary inquiry is over in the matter.
Right, Poonam, thanks very much for that. Of course, reactions from the opposition pouring in.
इस बात की और आवश्यकता है कि सीबीआई को ऑटोनोमस किया जाए। लोकपाल बिल जो सेलेक्ट कमेटी ने अप्रूव कर दिया है, सरकार से क्यों नहीं ला रही है?
सर, इसमें कि सरकार में आप भी रहें तो कहीं न कहीं ये आरोप आप लोगों के बीजेपी एनडीए के ऊपर भी जाता है।
देखिए, आपको मैं एक बात बता दूं, बीजेपी की प्रामाणिकता का इससे बड़ा सवाल कुछ नहीं हो सकता है कि अगर हम लोग की सरकार होती तो राम जन्मभूमि का सारा केस हम वापस भी कर सकते थे, जैसा एक से एक भ्रष्टाचार का केस सरकार करती है। हमने कानून को अपना काम करने दिया।
U.S. मिश्रा किसके जमाने में थे? U.S. मिश्रा में तो वाजपेयी जी के जमाने में थे सीबीआई डायरेक्टर, और दूसरे कौन है?
दूसरे जोगिंदर सिंह हैं।
देखो, ये इतने साल बाद सो के जागना, ये बोलना, मुझे नहीं लगता इन बातों को कोई महत्व देना चाहिए, इस तरह के बयानों को कोई महत्व देना चाहिए। बाकी किसकी सरकार के जमाने में कौन था, ये जरा पता लगा। अगर मिश्रा जी ने कहा, मेरे ख्याल से तो वो वाजपेयी जी के सरकार के सीबीआई डायरेक्टर थे, तो फिर उनमें भाजपा के नेताओं से पूछिए आप।